Want to know how to enter Steampunk Frontier mode in PUBG Mobile? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how to do it. It's super simple, so let's get right into it. Now, first off, simply open up your PUBG Mobile application, and on the left side right here, on the bottom you can see this maps option right here. Simply click on it. Now, once you're there, here you can see various modes like Classic mode, Arena, and much more. So since we want to switch up to Steampunk Frontier mode, right down here under the map, you can see this small two arrow icons, so simply click on it. Now right here, new content is shown, which is the Steampunk Frontier mode. So simply select it, and there you have it. Right here you can see the map has changed as well. Now just simply select start. And once that is done, your matchmaking should begin. And after a while, your match should be found. And there you have it. After a while, you will be in the Steampunk Frontiers match right here. As you can see in the map, you can see the event grids and stuff, where you can see various locations, train routes, and so on. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.